How to contact Bidget Help Center. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can contact the Bidget Help Center. So if you're also wondering on how we can do that, these are the processes we may follow up and we should be able to contact the Bidget Help Center. So head over and open up the Bidget app on your device. Once you're logged into your Bidget application, you will be seeing this interface on your screen. So once you're here, in order to contact the help center, you can directly head over and tap on this headphone icon at the top right corner of your screen and go and contact the customer support of the Bidget through this process directly. Or we can go ahead and go back and tap on our profile at the top left corner of our screen. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap it here, you will be finding different options available like quick access, popular, about Bidget, and different services available. So we're gonna go ahead and scroll down and look for this option called more services here. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you're here, you can just scroll down, and when you scroll to the last section on the others, we will be finding this option called help center and support. So you can go ahead and look out for the help centers for different kind of tutorials, like different kind of helps available in a form of a script right here. So you can look out for those options here. You can just go ahead and click, for example, let me just go ahead and tap on this deposit and withdrawal, and you will be led to the space and you will be finding different kind of questions and a short paragraph about how you can deal with them. Otherwise, in order to contact with the customer care of the Bidget, you can just go ahead and tap on the support tab right here. And if you have any requests or comments, you can just go ahead and tap on this online customer service. And here you can go ahead and chat with the bot here that will help you solve the issues in your Bidget. Otherwise, they also have an email. You can just type in support@bidget.com, which is only valid and official email through which we can communicate with them, and we can use that in order to find any solutions or different kind of interactions. So that is how we can contact a customer care or contact a Bidget Help Center by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, leave any comments if you have got any questions, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.